Welcome back to Main Course with Annie, the Kitchen Edition. This week, I'm tackling these floors. Replacing a kitchen floor can be time-consuming and costly, but I've got a great solution for you. Rust-Oleum Home Floor Coating is easy to use and it works on almost all surfaces. What I love about this paint is it's tintable. I thought the classic neutral color would be great in this kitchen. Now, I've already cleaned the floor and I've taped it off. My next step is to cut in with a brush and then I'm gonna roller. This product can be used on ceramic, porcelain, concrete, hardwood, laminate, and vinyl. Apply the base coat in 4x4 sections and maintain a wet edge while rolling. Don't let the product puddle. It's a good idea to allow 24 hours before walking on the floor. From floor to ceiling, another affordable transformation, all with paint. That two-part process was so easy and looks amazing. Want to see what it looks like with a stencil? Stick around. That episode is coming up next.